Hard water spots on windshields is a big issue while driving cars. Especially it makes night driving very difficult. Q4 EverCar Care's Easy Drive makes driving easy by removing these hard water spots. Let us explain how to use our product. It is very easy procedure. First of all, start by cleaning the glass by spraying a good quality glass cleaning solution. Wipe the surface thoroughly using a microfiber cloth. Wipe off the leftover water content using a dry microfiber towel and wait until the surface is completely dry. Shake the bottle well before using. It is important to mix up the ingredients. Take a dry microfiber cloth and pour small quantity of product onto it. Apply the product onto the affected area in circular motion using moderate pressure. While polishing, do not over-rub the product or use extreme pressure. It may cause light scratches on the surface. You can also use a polishing machine to apply the product. It will be very easy to use a polishing machine if you have a large area to work with. Wipe off the surface using a clean towel. Wash the surface using mild shampoo if you find excess leftover product on the surface. You can visibly see the result. Q4 EverCar Care Easy Drive can even remove ages-old hard water spots and make your glass surface sparkling clean. This product can also be used on chrome or steel surfaces.